Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Dell P2425H, a 24-inch IPS monitor with a smooth 100 Hz refresh rate that's built for productivity and everyday use. Right away, the 1920x1080 Full HD IPS panel delivers sharp visuals, accurate colors, and wide viewing angles. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, editing photos, or streaming content, everything looks clean and consistent from almost any angle. The jump to 100 Hz makes a noticeable difference too. Scrolling feels smoother, cursor movement is more fluid, and even light gaming feels more responsive compared to a standard 60 Hz display. Comfort is a big highlight here. Dell includes Comfort View Plus and low blue light technology, which helps reduce eye strain during long work sessions. The anti-glare coating also makes it easier to use in bright rooms without distracting reflections. The stand is fully ergonomic, supporting height adjustment, tilt, swivel, and pivot. You can rotate it vertically for coding or document work, which adds real flexibility to your setup. Connectivity is solid as well, with HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, and a built-in USB hub, making it easy to connect multiple devices and accessories. Overall, the Dell P2425H offers a great balance of smooth performance, comfort, and practicality for everyday work and entertainment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.